Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working for HUAWEI MatePad 12X. Let's begin! So, as you can see, we can start by simply checking the lock pattern, which is right here, and currently it is enabled. And as you can see, because this is enabled, even if we try to pick up our tablet, nothing will really happen. There is this little icon and you can click it to rotate this manually, but as you can see, this isn't really automatic, is it? So instead, let's try to change this. And well, luckily for you, you probably know already how we can change it. Let's simply expand the control center once again and just remove the rotation lock. And now we can really rotate between the landscape mode and the portrait mode, which I think is really cool. And that's almost all for this video. As a last minute option, if the screen rotation for any reason whatsoever just isn't working for you, you can always press and hold the power button. Now for a moment, the AI assistant will appear. You want to just ignore it, you want to keep holding, and now we can see the power menu, and all you want to do is just click restart twice, and now our HUAWEI MatePad 12X should reboot, and with it should also come rebooting to gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation in your device. And that's all for this video. Yeah, if you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.